हाय फ्रेंड्स, टिल नाउ हमने 3 टैब कंप्लीट किया है, जिसके वीडियो आपको चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में मिल जाएंगे। और अब हम फोर्थ वन टैब कंप्लीट करने वाले हैं, जो है फॉर्मूला टैब। चलो तो फ्रेंड्स, आज के वीडियो का मेन कंटेंट मैंने इस इमेज से क्लियर किया है, जो हम आगे देखने वाले हैं। इसी तरह चैनल पे बने रहने के लिए और एक्सेल के कुछ न्यू ट्रिक्स सीखने के लिए, जो आपको फ्यूचर में एक्सपर्ट बना देंगे, तो नीचे दिए गए बेल बटन को हिट कीजिए और चैनल के अपडेट लीजिए। बिफोर नोइंग फीचर्स ऑफ फॉर्मूला टैब, वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड मेन पर्पज ऑफ फॉर्मूला टैब, which is used to insert functions, outline the name, produce the name, review formula, etc. in a ribbon. The formula tab has vital and most helpful function to form dynamic reports. It contains function library, defined names, formula auditing, and calculation. The formula tab in Excel is located in the Excel ribbon and provide various feature and option for working with formulas and function in your tab, organized in way like function library, Python, defined name, formula auditing, and calculation. First one feature is function library, and it's distributed in 10 parts. Insert function displays the insert function dialog box, allowing you to search for a particular function or display the list of function by category. AutoSum. The button insert the sum formula into the cell, calculating the sum of the cell directly above. The drop down contain the command sum, average, count numbers, max, mean or more function. Exactly the same command can be found on Home tab. Recently used. Provide quick access to 10 function you recently used. Financial. Provide quick access to all functions in financial category. Logical. Provide quick access to all function in logical category. Text. Provide quick access to all function in text category. Date and time. Drop down provide. Second one feature is Python, which recently add in formula feature. It distributed in 4 parts. Insert Python. Insert py into active cell and display the Python in Excel task pane. Reset. The button will reset global Python variable and trigger recalculation. If calculation is manual, then recalculation is not triggered. The drop-down contain commands reset and reset routine. Editor. Display the Python editor task pane. Initialization. Adjust default Python setting and configuration detail like importing of open source libraries. Third one feature is defined name. It configure in 4 parts. Name manager. Display the name manager dialog box. Define name. Button with drop down. The button display new name dialog box. The drop down contain commands, define name and apply names. The define name allow you to create workbook and worksheet level, named range and display the new name dialog box. The apply names display apply names dialog box. Use in formula. Drop down. The drop down contain a list of all name ranges in workbook and paste name. The paste name command display paste name dialog box. Create from selection. Display the create names from selection dialog box. These enable you to name a selected range of cells using a row or column title that you have entered. Fourth one feature is formula auditing. Formula auditing is distributed in 7 parts. Trace precedence. Display arrow that indicate what cell affect the value of currently selected cell. Trace dependence. Display arrow that indicate what cell affected by value in currently selected cell. Remove arrows. Button with a drop down. The button remove all arrow drawn by trace precedent and trace dependence. The drop down contain commands remove or arrow, remove precedent arrow and remove dependent arrows. Show formulas. Toggle the display of formula rather than result. Error checking button with drop down. The button display error checking dialog box. The drop down contain command error checking, trace error, and circular reference. The circular reference extension will only be enabled when active workbook contain at least one circular reference. Evaluate formula. Display the evaluate formula dialog box. This allows you to step through a formula calculation. Watch window. Display a watch window. Allow you to view content of cell and their result as you make changes. Last one feature is calculation. It distributed in three parts. Calculation options. Drop down. The drop down lets you quickly change the calculation setting in active workbook between manual, automatic, and automatic except for data tables. This setting is in fact an application setting. For more information, please refer calculation page. Calculate now. Provide a shortcut to Excel options. Calculation tab. Calc now. These options now longer appear on the Excel option dialog box. Calculate sheet. Provide shortcut to Excel options. Calculation tab. Cal sheet. This option no longer appears on Excel option dialog box. One more feature is solutions. Euro conversion. Euro conversion. Launch the Euro conversion wizards. Euro formatting. Apply Euro formatting to selected cell. Quick conversion. Perform quick conversions.